Hello, my name is Kana Azima Biseprazma with the metric number 284425. Today I would like to discuss about the background of the Kurba food industries. Kurba food industries established in 2007 and then incorporated as Kurba Food Manufacturing Sdn Bhd in 2011. It operates in Citra, Kedah, producing a beverage snack and dessert. While the backend system Kurba Mart has been developed using Spring Boot to provide RESTful APIs, the company still lack a user-facing platform. To fully transition into e-commerce and better serve customer, a better responsive and interactive front-end application is essential. Now, let's take a look at the problem statement. The first one is security at Kubernetes system is restricted by the lack of web-based front-end, even though the back-end is operational. Number two, customer and employees encounter operational bottlenecks in the absence of an interface for managing product, categories, or transaction. Number three, for everyday use, manual input using program like Postman is impractical. And the last one, to complete the e-commerce system and communicate with the current APIs, intuitive Angular front-end is required. That's all from me. Thank you. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Hannah Carolina Ismail and my number matching is 289843. The aim of this project is to develop a user-friendly front-end web application for e-commerce system regarding food industry by Angular framework. This web development will interface with a RESTful backend API in assignment 1 to perform full code operations. This web will use Docker to implement front-end concept. And now I'm going to present about methodology. First is front-end framework setup. Use Angular CLI to start the Angular apps. Next is npm is used to set up dependency and host repository using Git. Second is component and services. Create Angular for components developed in project. Develop Angular services for backend REST API. And third is containerization. Use Dockerfile to containerize Angular frontend. Build and tag the Docker image before push it to the Docker Hub repository to deploy. That is all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nila Muhammad Azrul Umar bin Jaafar, and today we do a live demo for our front end for assignment 2, which is Grobamat. So before that, I will show you guys our route. So route is the most important thing in TypeScript. So in Angular, sorry. So for our component, we have home, we have product. In our product, we have uh, add. We can also delete the product, and also we have category. We can also add a new category and edit, like the one in um, product just now. So um, when we want to run our assignment 2 using terminal, first of all, we need to make sure the file, which is our file, this one, food e-commerce front end. First put cd in the front and also and type this one. And also if you are new, just after that, just type npm install. And then to run our Angular server, we just need to type ng-serve, and then wait for the Angular to start build our um, web. And also we click O and enter for open. So as you can see, this is our main page. Uh, just now I said we have product, we also can add product and also category. And we also have a search bar, which, for example, if I search let's say iced coffee, so it will show iced coffee. Also, we can also categorize it as, for example, dessert and so on. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you to the previous presenter. My name is Sharvin Parmeswaran, matrix number 295026, and I'm going to be demonstrating the product functionality, including the displaying, adding, editing, updating, and deleting products using the Spring Boot backend. This will be done through our interface that interacts with the backend API for CRUD operations on the product data. This is my backend, and you can see it says e-commerce application. This is my assignment one, and I will begin by running this. So this is the Spring Boot application, and you can see that it has started running. And then I will move on to the assignment two. This is my front end that we used Angular, and so I will navigate to the food e-commerce front end folder, this one, and I will begin this by running this as well. So it is, so you can see it would take a few minutes, a few seconds for it to start up, and then it will start running, and then I can check my Angular frontend project in the browser. So I will just open this. So you can see I can move on to the product section, and you can see these are all of the existing products. I can click on add new product and create a new product. So let's say I would like to add a new food, which is pizza. So I will input that, and I will just put a description, and then I can set the price as well, and I can select a category. Since I'm going to be choosing pizza, I'm going to put fast food, and click on create, and you can see I've created that. If I go here, it says pizza, very delicious and cheesy fast food for 25. I could also pick any of the products over here and edit them as well. So say I want to edit cheeseburger, I can edit all of this. Say I want to change that uh, to something else, say orange juice. So I can just change everything, and I can change the price as well, 5, and change it to beverages. And then I don't need this, and I can click on update, and you can see it says here orange juice, 355 tasty drink with puppy freshness, and this is the one that I just edited. And I can also click on delete for any of this, and it says are you sure you want to delete this product. If I click on OK, it deletes. So these are the product functionality. Thank you.
Thank you to the previous presenter. I'm Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Faris, metric number 294692, and I will be demonstrating the category management features of our Kurbama e-commerce platform. This section is crucial for organizing products into logical groups, making it easier for both administrators to manage inventory and customers to find what they are looking for. Now I will proceed with in the category section. I will proceed with edit, update, and delete. So now I will proceed with the add new category. For example, I will put health in the group. Then we'll already create the new category health and with the descriptions. And I also can edit it. For example, I did this fast food. I can remove this fast food, and then I update category. And I can see in the product it also become update with the food, not fast food. It become food. Then go to category. I can also remove this category. For example, I want to remove this food also, and then we go to product. Yes, all the product with the food category are also removed. So That's all.
Okay, so good afternoon. My name is Lim Jun Wei. Today, I want to demonstrate how to use the Docker to start our project. So first of all, you have to make sure your PC have the Docker compose.yml file. After that, you have to open your Docker desktop, and next we'll direct to the terminal and make sure you have to navigate the folder which is include the Docker compose.yml. For example, like this. Okay, so after that, we have to use the command docker pull and the name tag. Okay, so after that, it will pull the image from my Docker Hub, and we can start with the Docker Compose Hub D. Alright, so in this Docker Compose YML, I already configure that this is our front end and this is our back end. So it means that we don't need to open the our back end manually, something like that. So I just proceed to the website, show our product. Yes, so this is our product, and this is the database. Yes, something like that. So to achieve this Docker, we have to make sure our project have Docker file like this one, and the nginx configure. This one is like to when I push my project to Docker, so it will use this nginx platform to allow my front end more efficiency. And this one, Docker Compose YML. Just now I said so. That's all for me. Thank you.
So thank you for the previous presenter. My name is Kuhazan bin Kulizan and plate number is 3989. So for the controversial part is, first it also can complete system integration, which means the Angular front seamlessly connects with the existing Spring Boot backend, enabling full product and category management through a user-friendly interface. Secondly, it can improve usability and efficiency, which means the application replaces many tools like Postman, offering real-time CIUD operations with responsive design, making daily operations faster and more practical. And lastly, it can be future-proof foundation, which means that this implementation not only solves a immediate usability challenge, but can establish a scalable architecture ready for advanced features like authentication, online ordering, also mobile expansion. So that's all for me. Thank you.